friends, happy fall. I hope you're enjoying gorgeous weather wherever you are. I have my September Young Living order that I want to share with you what I received, and most of the stuff I got this month was free, which is pretty amazing, so I want to show you that as well. So the first thing is a brand new product from Young Living called the Thieves Scrub, and most of us use the Thieves Cleaner for virtually everything in our house, so this is nice to have another product in that line that has a little scrubbing power with it. The other is a concentrated liquid that you just add to water and can clean pretty much anything. So the nice thing about this is it's completely chlorine free, chemical free, perfectly safe to breathe, to get on your hands, that sort of thing. It's safe for non-polished surfaces. So you probably don't want to use this on like a polished granite or any of your stainless appliances, that kind of stuff. But it says it's good for porcelain, ceramic, copper, fiberglass, corian, brass, bronze, chrome, that kind of thing. And it's great for your glass cooktop on your stove. Don't use it on windows and mirrors, they say, but really cleans the glass cooktop super fast and easy. So the scrubbing power, it's a mild abrasive, is a mineral from Canada, baking soda, and also sodium percarbonate, which is sort of like the natural form of OxyClean. So people are loving this for cleaning their bathrooms, kitchens, etc. anytime you need a little more scrub. So super excited to have that. It also has, of course, the Thieves essential oil in it. So I did try it on my glass cooktop already, and it worked amazingly. Another absolute favorite product that you never want to be without is sulfurzyme. So it comes in this powder form. You can also get it in a capsule form. So this one is unique blend of our wolfberry from China and our and MSM. So MSM, you can look up all the different benefits to MSM. So you want a good quality MSM. The wolfberry goes with it really well to help it, I guess, absorb better. And it also, this one has a prebiotic in it as well. So sulfur is a natural building block of the body that we need, and it helps with joints, it helps with chronic pain, it helps with the immune system, supporting natural or normal metabolic function, circulation, bone, hair, skin, all that stuff. It helps recovery after exercise for bones and joints, and it also is really helpful for seasonal allergies, just to help the body sort of stay in homeostasis there. So I love this with my Ningxia Red and a lot of water. My 2 ounces of Ningxia Red, about 25 ounces of water, and a teaspoon of sulfurzyme. So fantastic supplement that does a lot of great kind of basic things for the body. AgilEase is also one of my favorite supplements, and I can definitely feel it in my joints when I don't take that one for a while. So it is for cartilage, for flexibility, mobility, helps the body respond to inflammation. It has frankincense powder, it has type 2 undonatured collagen, it has essential oils of wintergreen, copaiba, clove, and northern lights black spruce. So again, just fantastic for all the things with joints feeling good and doing what they're supposed to do. Can't recommend that one highly enough. And kind of in the realm of joints and inflammation and normal function is the CBD, which I absolutely love our CBD. The vast majority of CBD on the market is still not tested well, contaminated. It may or may not have what it says on the label. It's sort of all over the place. It's a very loosely regulated market, I guess you could say, and in terms of actually testing for what's in the bottle just doesn't usually happen. So you've got to use a really pure source that will do things by hand, even though it takes longer and costs more, that will do things higher than organic standards, and really keep your CBD pure. The hemp plant loves to just soak up all the garbage in the soil and the water, and so it can be a very contaminated product, even without sort of not the best processing procedures. So love our CBD. It's great for, again, just chronic aches and pains, great for helping with inflammation, fantastic for sleep. It's one of the Young Living sleep solutions. It's also great for just helping to feel a little calmer and less anxious. So this one is the cinnamon flavor, but there are several options. So again, love our CBD, super high quality, works really well. And the other thing I purchased this month is longevity, which longevity is an oil. It's a blend of thyme, orange, clove, and frankincense, which these are great oils that support digestion. They support the immune system, and they're very helpful with the antioxidant activity. So awesome, awesome oil there. And actually, I got more of it free this month as well. Let's see if I can find it. There were so many free oils. So longevity comes as a vitality oil as well. So the white label means it's safe to use as a dietary supplement, but they're the same oil in the bottle. So it means you can put this in capsules and take it as a dietary supplement, or you can apply it topically or put it in your diffuser. So I plan to put it in capsules. So let's see here. These were all the free. So I purchased these things, and then all the rest of this was free as the September promo. So we also have Digest, which you never want to be without Digest. Great for all things digestion. And orange oil. Again, all the citrus oils are really great for the immune system. They're also great just mood boosters. So they're good for diffusing. They're great flavoring for smoothies and that sort of stuff too. Copaiba is a powerhouse for helping the body with inflammation or minor injury. So I will put that on spots that I bump that I think might bruise. I'll also use it just anytime I feel like my body needs a little extra support fighting inflammation. Citrus Fresh is a nice blend of citrus oils with spearmint. So it's great for flavoring your water, great for diffusing. Anytime you want kind of that nice fresh scent. Lemon oil, again, can't have too much lemon. You can use it as a food flavoring in your water. Lemon is also helpful for the body's detox processes. Lemon oil is also great for anything sticky. If you get gunk or grease or spray paint or anything like that on your hands, or you have sticky tags from sores that won't come off, you can use lemon oil for all that kind of stuff too. And then the last oil that was free this month was Endoflex, and Endoflex supports the endocrine system. So all things endocrine system are fantastic for Endoflex, and Endoflex is good for all ages as well. Also free this month were our Vitality Drops. These are the electrolyte drops. It is lavender lemonade and grapefruit bergamot, and these are delicious. So electrolytes are sort of what people usually drink like Gatorade for. So these are fantastic for adding to water bottles, for after a workout, or anytime you want to just add a little kind of mineral content to your water. And then the last free thing in the September promos is Life 9. So Life 9 is a very potent probiotic. You don't necessarily need probiotics every single day. Ideally, we get probiotics from fermented foods, things like that as well. But it's always great to kind of add one in a little bit every now and then. We are mostly bacteria, and you want to be mostly good bacteria. So probiotics are a way to get more good bacteria into your system. So that was my September order. And then this is what I spent my points on from August and September. So again, when I purchase things, I get points back. I get 25% back in points. And my order earns the promos of the month as well. So all of this was free as well. So I got 2 bottles of my favorite Genesis lotion. So this has great oils in it like jojoba oil, kukui nut oil, mango and shea butter. Things that are very rich in natural fatty acids and vitamins that provide a lot of nourishing moisture to the skin and prevent moisture loss. So love my Genesis lotion. I probably go through almost a bottle a month. Another absolute favorite is the Thieves mouthwash. So if you haven't tried this, this is not an expensive product. You use just a little bit, or you can even dilute it a little bit more. So this will last a good amount of time. But mouthwash is just so incredibly toxic and gross. You don't want to be using normal mouthwash that you get from the store. Just stop for a lot of reasons. The chemicals, the fake coloring, the fragrances, the fluoride, it's all just terrible. So this has colloidal silver in it, which is awesome. It also has soap bark in it, which helps loosen kind of the buildup and the plaque on your teeth to get kind of a better clean in those hard to reach areas. And it has the Thieves essential oil blend in it, so it just leaves your mouth feeling really fresh and clean. Again, this one's a bit addictive. It's so good. And this is my favorite, and so many of Young Living products last so long that I hardly ever purchase them, so I don't get to talk about them very often. And this is one that I thought I was almost out of, and it turns out I did have a spare. but now I have plenty for the next like 5 years. But this is the Mira cleansing oil, and you know, I was thinking my skin is not as oily as it used to be, and I think this is probably why, because it doesn't strip the skin. It's an oil-based cleaner. It has just beautiful oils in it that really help to hydrate the skin, get the don't clog pores and help clean pores out, and then keep the skin nice and moisturized. So it also has sandalwood, rose, and jasmine, which are just beautiful essential oils in it as well. So this is my nighttime cleanser. So if I've had makeup on, I'll use a Young Living makeup wipe first, and then I'll use this cleanser, and then I follow that with the CBD Beauty Boost, which is also very luxurious and lovely on the skin. And so that's kind of my nighttime moisturizing routine. And I don't know, I just love it. And I think my skin does too, because my skin is just not oily at all anymore. Another thing that's new to me is one of our sleep solutions. Again, the CBD works really great. This is called Sleep Essence, and it combines all of the good sleepy essential oils with melatonin. So it has 3.2 milligrams of melatonin, and then it also has lavender, vetiver, valerian, tangerine, and rue oils. So another great sleep option if you're looking for things to help you sleep on occasion. This would be a great one. Also, one thing I learned is that you don't want to take melatonin with echinacea. So if you're taking echinacea for the immune system, you don't want to take melatonin in the same time or the same time frame. So melatonin is also great for the immune system. Our body really rests and repairs and rebuilds at night, and that's when it makes melatonin. And then my last free thing for the month is my Ningxia Nitro, which I love. It's just that extra kind of brain boost, brain power, brain food, cognitive support, and it comes in these little tubes, and so you can drink it right out of the tube, or you could add it to your Ningxia Red. I usually add it to my mineral essence, makes the mineral essence taste a lot better, which is the trace minerals. So I put probably about a tablespoon of water, my droppers of mineral essence, and then my little tube of Ningxia Nitro. So I think that's it for the month, but lots and lots of free stuff. I would love to help you figure out how to switch over some products in your life and get the best deal from Young Living. Again, ordering once a month is the best way to earn points back, which then you get tons of free product. And then at different levels, by placing that order all at one time, you also earn the promos for the month as well, and free shipping. So the way Young Living works now is you can definitely log on anytime and shop around. There's great information. The website's been really updated, great information and details on each of the products and kind of what they're used for, what some of the key ingredients are. But you can start without having to buy a starter bundle anymore, so you can just start with the products that you think will most benefit you. If you want to get free shipping, you'll want to hit that 100 PV mark, which is usually $100, and that also unlocks the wholesale price for you for a year. So if you place anything on subscribe to save, which means you're going to order it every 1, 2, or 3 months, and you can always change that, then that also unlocks the wholesale discount. So, and I'm also happy for you to use my referral number, which is 279-9723, 279-9723. And also, again, happy to help you figure out kind of which products might be useful for you, which things people love the most, and all of that good stuff. So thankful for all of this and the way it just keeps my body working so well. So I hope that you have a great rest of the month, and I will see you in October.